Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure mobile data limit on Honor 90. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find the mobile network, then select the data usage, and here we have more data settings, and you can activate monthly data limit. Here you can set the amount of the limit and change it between megabytes and gigabytes. One thing to keep in mind is that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So let's say like 1000 and a half, which is 1.5 gigabyte. Then there's a start date, so you can select when does it start. So we're gonna go for the first day of the month. We can change usage reminders when we are over the limit, disable mobile data, or get notification. We can change the monthly data reminder, so that means when we reach, for example, right now 300 megabytes, it will send us notification that we just reached that amount of data. And then there's daily data reminder, so that means when you daily use amount of data, it will notify you as well. And I think that's all of the... Nope, we also have a lock screen data usage reminder, so that means you can get this usage reminder notifications on a lock screen as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.